Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the MAG box model and firmware, so you use the correct menu paths. Then connect it to your router with Ethernet for stability. Power on and open settings, system information, and note the MAC address. You'll need it for the portal entry. Once done, navigate to servers or portal settings immediately. Make sure you have the exact new portal URL pasted correctly and the MAC copied to avoid input errors before proceeding. Now access portal settings. Choose Portal 1 or Servers and select Edit. Do not use test fields. Carefully type or paste the new portal URL exactly, no extra spaces or trailing slash, and confirm the MAC matches the box. After saving, force a reboot from the menu or power cycle to apply changes. During startup, the box will attempt to connect to the portal. Make sure to watch for connection status and any on-screen error codes so you can react quickly. Finish by verifying the portal loads channel lists and streams. Test playback on multiple channels to confirm success. If the portal fails to connect, double-check the URL spelling, the MAC address, and whether DNS is resolving. Make sure firmware supports the portal version. As a key troubleshooting tip, try switching to a public DNS or perform a factory reset only after backing up settings, because many connection issues stem from DNS or incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.